My video guide is about removing the online scam that is associated with the website systemsecurities.com. Systemsecurities.com is a website that displays misleading pop-ups that try to scare customers into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. The website systemsecurities.com says that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. But interacting with these pop-ups is dangerous. All these alerts are totally faulty and misleading. You should not trust their misleading messages. If you start ever interacting with these pop-ups, you may be brought to the pages that promote potentially unwanted software, so don't ever interact with them. Sometimes these pop-ups also encourage people into clicking on the special allow button in order to make them subscribe to the push notifications. If you have mistakenly done that, and if you have clicked on the allow button, you need to fix your browser right away. This is how you can do it. Access the menu of the browser, go to Settings, select Security and Privacy, then Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. So if you find any junk sites here on the list, of course you should get rid of them. It is also a good idea to check the control panel of your computer and remove any programs that might be suspicious here. So if you see something suspicious, get rid of it. We also recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system to detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.